Hello, my name is Davin. I'm 12 years old and I'm from grade 6. In this project, I choose Make Smart Transportation. And inspired by my favorite show and character, Thomas and Friends, I choose Train Transportation. In this project, I'm combining the vintage train engine with smart operating system. This project can contribute as a new game for kids in all ages, so they can play an adventure with Thomas and friends in the virtual way. This project can also contribute for train transportation worldwide, so people can use train easier, right on time, and can get to their destination safely. In this project, I use AI for face scan. The benefit of it is to identify the passenger as the owner of the ticket, so no one can enter the train but themselves. In this project, I also use AI for QR code. The benefit of it is to know which train you should take to your destination, and the train will know and take you exactly to your destination. In this project, I also use broadcasts for the train to say each name of the station they stop by. The benefit of it, the passenger will know each station they stop by. By using broadcasts, I made the train say you're on your destination. The benefit of it, the passenger will know they arrived at their destination and completed their trip. Okay, so this is how my project works. First, imagine you buy a ticket from my application. Then you receive a QR code as a ticket. At the station, you must scan your face first, so the AI will identify you as the owner of the ticket. Then the AI will ask you to scan your QR code. After that, the AI will analyze your destination and pick which train you should take to your destination. Then the train will come and take you to your destination. While the train is going through the railway, it will stop at each station for 1 second and sound the voice each name of the station. After the train arrives at your destination, it will stop, say the name of the station, and also say you're on your destination. Thank you for using its services. Now let me show you my project. So this is my project. Let me show you the code for Thomas. In this code, I put motion blocks for Thomas to go to the railway, and also a text speech block for Thomas to say each name of the station and also say you're on your destination. If Thomas arrived at the passenger's destination, here's the code for Percy the train. As you can see, it is the same like Thomas's code. Here's the code for James the train. As you can see, it is also the same as Thomas and Percy's code. And finally, here's the code for Toby as the AI. Here I make a name and destination. I set the variable to 0. Then I will turn on the video stage and say place your face in the camera. Once the passenger face show the camera, it will broadcast name. After the broadcast name, it will open the camera, and if uh, in the camera, it's for example, me or Mr. Ideal, it will set the name to the identified class. But if the camera is shown was not me or Mr. Ideal, it will show and play a sound alert while saying you're not a registered passenger. But if the name was Davin or Mr. Ideal, it will broadcast QR code. After the broadcast, it will ask the passenger to show your QR code. If the passenger say no, it will show and say okay then and stop all. But if the passenger say yes, it will turn on the video for the QR code, and if the QR code is detected, it will set the destination and say, okay, your destination is blah blah blah. For example, if the destination was Norby from Davin, it will broadcast Thomas the train's coming. But if the destination was Kaustop and the name was Mr. Ideal, it will broadcast Percy the train's coming. But if the passenger didn't show the QR code, or maybe didn't show the QR code enough, then it will say your QR code is invalid. Now let's try. As you can see, the AI identified the passenger's name. Now the AI will ask the passenger to show the QR code. Let's answer yes. As you can see, the AI detected the destination.
Norambi Station. You are on your destination. Thank you for using Thomas the Tank Engine services. Kelstrop Station. Vickerstown Station. Thank you for using Thomas the Tank Engine services.
Now let's try scanning the face but with a different person. As you can see, it will reject it because the face wasn't me or Mr. Ideal. Now let's try scanning a face properly but with a different QR code. The AI identified the passenger's name. As you can see, it will reject it because the QR code was Mr. Ideal's, and it will stop all. Now let's try Mr. Ideal scanning his ticket. The AI identified the passenger's name, and the AI that identified the destination's name.
Kelstrop Station. You are now at your destination. Thank you for using Percy the Green Engine services. Cribbins Gate Station. Vickerstown Station. Thank you for using Percy the Green Engine services.
Now let's try the other QR codes.
Kelstrop Station. Cribbins Gate Station. You are now at your destination. Thank you for using Percy the Green Engine services. Vickerstown Station. Thank you for using Percy the Green Engine Services. Kelster Hope Station. Noramby Station. Barrow Station. You are now at your destination. Thank you for using our James the Red Engine services. Vickerstown Station. Thank you for using James the Red Engine services.
Finally, let's try answering no to the question. It will say okay then and stop all. That was my project. Hopefully kids can have fun playing and adventuring with Thomas and friends using my project as a game application. And I also hope that my project can contribute to train transportation system. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you.